Bees are the miracle insects that bring huge benefits to plant life and people alike. Since 2009, Dulcofruct Company has been studying bee nutrition as well as being nutrition and supplements provider. The exclusive feeding experiment by Dulcofruct proves that bees develop extremely well in the absence of nectar and pollen from nature by being fed exclusively with Dulcofruct products. The experiment was conducted to support beekeepers on the sustainability of bee colonies in conditions of climate change, weather vulnerabilities, and various stress factors for bees. This unique test was carried out in the eastern part of Romania, in a nectar and pollen-free area. The nutrition of bee colonies was done exclusively with Dulcofruct brand products. In general, the changeable weather with extreme climatic phenomena, rains and storms, and lack of natural harvesting create a major stress on bee colonies. This is where we stepped in and helped bees with Dulcofruct products. The development of bee families was due exclusively to the Dulcofruct products used. Super Protein Cake.
Now Candy Board Super Protein.
Apopollen Substitute. Plant Cake.
Now Candy Board with plants.
Apatotal.
Now Ideal Bee Complete Syrup.
And Apa Nectar Plus.
Now Ideal Bee Optimal Syrup.
Our products have been applied twice a week in quantities tailored to bee needs. During the experiment, a purified water source was provided as well. The hives were populated with 15,000 individuals, 7-day death frames with adult bees, which surprisingly developed in 65 days, reaching 80,000 individuals per colony, using only Dulcofruct nutrition solutions. The most important indicator of the development was the amount of present brood, with dimensions measured between 80 to 140 square decimers. As the bees succeeded in constructing combs and covering the frames with larvae proportional to the whole frame, the longevity of the bees in the colonies increased along with the amount of brood, and the number of bees reached a booming growth. The clinical status. With no signs of disease and high immunity and also the appearance of bees is evidence that bees received high-quality food. Another significant sign in the quality of Dulcofruct products in the exclusive feeding experiment is the swarm instinct. The quality and amount of Vitellogelin favor the secretion of royal jelly. The large number of eggs deposited and the resulting bee longevity are triggering factors of the swarm instinct. The consumption of Dulcofruct products was excellent, the bees metabolizing all the ingredients without traces of residues. Probiotic bacteria favored digestion, and the most important factor was the balance of nutrients in the products used, which are specifically designed to meet the needs of bees without any excesses or deficiencies. Dulcofruct products contain vital sugars, essential for stimulation with a perfect balance of amino acids, minerals, vitamins, fibers, fats, microelements, natural polyphenols, and natural antiseptics, ensuring rapid growth and harmonious development of bee families. Dulcofruct Company was able to demonstrate in such a simple way, using exclusive feeding experiment, that bees can develop when nature does not provide enough for them. This species can be perpetuated for the multiple benefits it offers to Mother Earth. Together, we support beekeeping.